the Enlightenment movement that spread across Europe in the 18th century, bringing with it all the progressive ideas of politics, education, science, religion, and economics, led to the greatest revolutions of the era. People were revolting to claim the greatest good, freedom, since they were first imbued with the ideas and political theories of the Enlightenment. Of course, the exploitation of the poor social strata by the ruling class further pressed the coming events. The American and French Revolution were an example to be imitated for the Greek Revolution of 1821. The modern Greek Enlightenment contributed the most in this direction. This is the movement that was formed in the middle of the 18th century and sought to spread the Enlightenment ideas among the Greeks in order to be prepared for the revolution. Many scholars of the time, such as Adamantios Korais, believed that Greeks, in order to gain their freedom, must first be educated. Already at the end of the last century, before the revolution of 1821, the ideas of the Enlightenment and its teachings spread in the Greek communities and in the great commercial centers of Hellenism. The Greek scholars established schools in their places of origin and granted scholarships. Some of the eminent representatives of the modern Greek Enlightenment were Rigas Velestinlis, Adamantios Korais, Dimitrios Katardzis, Iosipos Misiodakas. An important share of responsibility for the outbreak of the Greek Revolution bears the progress of the education of the Greeks through the modern ideas of the Enlightenment. When a country is enslaved and oppressed, it means that its education system is suffering. When the authorities, the politicians, want to enslave a people, they destroy its education system. They degrade it in order to keep the people in the dark, so that they do not know how to claim their rights. Therefore, if in your country the education system is degraded, the power of your country has been taken over by foolish, incompetent, demagogic politicians with authoritarian tendencies who aim to enslave and impoverish you.